Welcome to the Domino folding base assembly instructions. When you open the cartons, you will find the booker rod, the column, the 4-leg base, the spider, the folding mechanism, 2 washers, 3 nuts, and a bolt. You will need a drill with a 16mm socket and a 6mm Allen key drill bit, a 16mm spanner, and thread lock. Part 1. Apply thread lock to the bolt and place it through the open folding mechanism. Line up the tabs on the mechanism to the divots on the spider and place together. Grab a nut and place it on the end of the bolt and hold it in place. Flip the spider over and use the 6mm Allen key drill bit to tighten. Place the spider face down and open the mechanism. Apply thread lock to the end of the booker rod with the nut and place the washer on the end. Insert the booker rod into the folding mechanism and screw a nut on the end, securing it in place. Close the mechanism and use the spanner to tighten the nut. Part 2. Identify the tab on the column and line it up with the tab on the folding mechanism. Slide the column over the booker rod, lining up the tabs. Do the same with the base by lining up the tabs and positioning it over the booker rod. Place a washer on the end, apply thread lock to the rod, screw on a nut, and tighten with the socket drill. The Domino folding base comes in a table and dry bar height in both anthracite and silver. It features a unique 4-leg style base with adjustable foot glides and the folding mechanism with a handle, making it easy to manoeuvre and compact for storage.